Hello everyone, I hope all is well. Okay, one specific technical skill in data science that I have learned is data cleaning and preprocessing. When I first started working with real-world datasets, I realized that the data was often messy, incomplete, or inconsistent. I struggled with how to clean and pre-process the data to get it ready for analysis. Okay, to learn this skill, I took an online courses and on data cleaning and preprocessing, and also reached out to more experienced data scientists in my network for guidance and advice. They share their best practice and recommended different tools and techniques to use for different type of data. Through trial and error, I developed my own approach to cleaning and preprocessing data that worked well for me. As a student ambassador, I'd use this experience to guide my peers in data cleaning and preprocessing. I would recommend resources such as online courses and tutorials and article, and also provide personalized guidance and support as they worked with real-world data. I also emphasize the importance of data cleaning and preprocessing as a crucial step in data science workflow, and share my own experience and best practice to help them avoid common pitfalls and challenges. Also possess non-technical skills such as leadership and teamwork and time management and critical thinking and decision making. Also, I believe they will be valuable in my role as a student ambassador. Thank you.